Hi there, welcome back. Today we have got something really exciting to review. The soldering iron of 60 to 80 watt adjustable with LCD display. If you are interested into soldering or electronics, then this tool might be your next best friend. So let's dive in and see, is this the ultimate soldering iron if you've been waiting for? So let's find out. So here is the soldering iron as you can see in the video. The first thing first, let's talk about its build quality. The soldering iron feels solid and well constructed. As you can see, it has a silicone rubber cover, and handle is also very handy and comfortable to use for extended periods of time. So the first thing that caught my eye is the clear LCD. As you can see, if I plug this in the power of 220 volts, and by pressing this power button, you can see the LCD turns on and the temperature rises gradually. The LCD, as you can see, it is a fantastic feature for reliable and precise temperature control. Controlling temperature from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, we can use this plus and minus button. So by pressing this minus button, this temperature will goes up to 180 degree. So similarly, if we press plus button, this set value will reach up to 500 degree Celsius. So let's talk about its features. So the soldering iron offers an impressive feature range, as I said, 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, giving you a flexible to tackle a wide range of soldering tasks with precision. As you saw, the LCD display shows current temperature. Current temperature is 500, and also we go down up to 281. So current temperature is now 485. Now this temperature is reducing as we set this up to, let's check again, 280 degree. The set value is 280 degree. The current temperature is 309. Now it's declining. As you can see, it is clearly visible. So now current temperature is also reached up to 280 degree because the set value is 280. If we increase little bit high, let's suppose 320, then you will see current temperature is 283, 287, 290, 300, and here is 221. So let's check the set value by pressing this 222. As you saw, the set value and actual current value align. This precise control is also a very useful feature, which making it convenient to set and monitor the heat as well. This adjustable power, it offers both 60 watt to 80 watt power option, also allowing you to handle various soldering tasks effortlessly. Beside the LCD, you will find 3 push buttons as in the demo I explained these 3 buttons. One of them is for powering the iron on and off. This center one is for powering on and off. As we press this, it was powered on. Now if we press this now, it will power off. Here it is. So while the other two buttons are for increasing or decreasing the temperature, as I also explained before. So this temperature adjustment and display at the same time is very reliable and useful feature. So as you can see, the handle of this soldering iron is also very comfortable, by which it is ensuring that relaxed grip during soldering for the extended period of time. So if we talk about its tip is also very tiny, which is perfect for complex soldering. I have been using this soldering iron for a while now, and I must say it is amazing. The quick heat up time and the ability to set the temperature precisely in the range from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius is amazing. Using those convenient buttons ideal for soldering various components because we can adjust the temperature and power by using these buttons. In some cases, if we need less power, we can decrease the power and we can save the quality of our PCBs during soldering. Because if the temperature is higher, then we can damage during soldering work. Let's demonstrate a simple soldering on this prototype PCB. This PCB I built for one of my projects with some relays and a microcontroller. So behind this, if you will find soldering traces, which I already done. It's really neat and clean. So let's do a solder for a demo purpose. Is I have solder wire. This solder wire is also very good. It is 500 gram in weight and size is 1 mm. Its size is 1 mm, as you can see here, and it is 500 gram. So let's do some soldering and we'll see the result at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, I soldered this portion and it is very smooth, and it was also very easy within a microsecond without any issue. This solder, as you can see, it's very smooth, neat and clean. So this was the practical demonstration of the soldering iron. So before this soldering iron, I was also having this one, which is almost similar to the new one, but difference is only this LCD display on which we can see the temperature set value and current temperature, and also 3 buttons. One is for power on, off, and 2 of them for increase or decrease the temperature value. But here we don't have any LCD display, as well as this is a variable potentiometer you can use to control the temperature, but it is blindly, we cannot monitor the exact temperature of the soldering iron, by which many occasions I found this not productive or not efficient to use for sensitive parts of PCBs. So that's why I purchased this soldering iron, and which is very reliable, and I'm using this soldering iron comfortably. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So the pros of this soldering iron: fast heat up time. As you saw, within microsecond it's reach up to the set value. Second is the wide range of its temperature, start from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Precise temperature control within built-in buttons, as you can see, which I also explained earlier, and a comfortable handle, which is very handy, as you can see. A clear LCD, and this soldering iron is ideal for a wide range of soldering tasks. Is also a very good advantage, because if we have harder job, we can increase the temperature up to 500 degrees Celsius. If we have lighter PCB, a tiny PCB, we can use up to 180 degrees Celsius. So if we talk about its cons, as of now I don't have any drawback or disadvantages with this soldering iron. However, if I come across any, I will make sure to share them with you. So in conclusion, the soldering iron 60 to 80 watt adjustable with clear LCD display is fantastic addition to any soldering kit. It is versatile, quick heat up time, precise temperature control within wide range, and 60 to 80 watt power option make it a top choice for hobbyists and professionals. So if you talk about my recommendation, I will highly recommend this soldering iron if you are looking for a reliable and easy to use with low cost. It is also very cheap in price. With its variable temperature range, built-in control with display, a comfortable design, and investment that will pay off in no time, especially if you are into electronics DIY projects or repair. If you are doing some repair work, it is also useful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.